Uh-oh.
Hi guys. It's time to roll. So nice outside. I'm in a line, so I have to wait a little bit.
Yeah.
Push my snack all the way there, honey.
We got to go home. We ran home and had lunch and had a shower.
Yep, nice shower.
Mama's always happy after those showers, boy.
Yeah, and then our lunch. Woo.
Ooh.
But I couldn't still find my purse or my...
Yeah, we're still missing her wallet.
I hope it's not somewhere. Wow, this light is taking forever, huh?
Yeah.
Is Grandma there?
Yeah, Grandma's still behind us. She pulled out,
Yeah.
and then she pulled into the parking lot next to us,
Yeah.
or down the road a little bit, and parked and waited because she wanted to watch Mama drive by.
Yeah, our mom.
She misses us. She's been gone for 2 weeks. Babysitting. Go ahead.
There you go.
Dog setting.
Woo. I felt like it's pulling a little bit. I'm gonna go to the turnpike. Is there a turnpike, honey?
No.
Oh, the turnpike is still all the way there.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
I
like 8
forgot.
miles.
That's right.
7 miles.
But anyway, guys, it's time to roll. Yeehaw! It's only Wednesday. I'm excited.
It's hump day.
Close to Sunday. It's a Sunday. Close to Monday. Bye bye. Look at the truck. The truck sat there for a long time. And I passed it. Hey guys, it's time to roll. Yeehaw.
Alright.
Oh, there's a Popo. Have a good day, everybody.
Popo, bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Toward I-71 South, US 176 South.
Did you turn it on, honey?
Yeah.
Woohoo, I'm gonna be at Dead Man's Curve.
Dead Man's Curve, Mama's about to go
And
to.
my training days, school days, I went to this road.
Take exit 170B, then keep left at the fork.
And I don't even know how I made it. So I'm not taking that exit. Huh? It's like I'm
90.
taking this exit, honey. Oh, the exit is the third lane.
Yeah.
Okay, woo, this is confusing, guys. So you guys need to study your map before you roll.
Just like you did, Mama.
Oh, I didn't
You're going
study.
off the seat of your pants.
Yeah, that's why I'm nervous, because I didn't study my map. So don't do what I do. Follow what I say. So, yeah.
Do as I say, not as I do.
Yeah. So I'm going to Cleveland downtown. Good thing I'm not holding a hazmat, because I can't come
we
here
could-
with a hazmat.
We couldn't drive through here with hazmat, so thank God Mama took the wrong way.
This is one of
Today.
this is one of the things that I'm scared the most, is going to downtown, any downtown, and then taking the wrong exit. Like, ooh. Well, hold on, wait a minute. So I have to move over. Correct,
Yeah,
sweetheart?
yep.
That it is. Okay.
Yep,
Woohoo.
time.
Where's Corey and Brandon's place?
Rona's down here a little bit.
Where's their place?
They're
I didn't
see
sign
that
up
yellow building right there?
Yeah, yellow. And this is the bank.
That's Corey's condo, their penthouse
That's
where
it?
Rona's
The yellow
at
building?
is right next to it. That yellow
one that has
building
the
right
glass?
there. Yeah, right there.
The tall one?
Right there.
Okay. Alright, right next to it.
It's the third tallest.
Okay. I took my shades.
Right over there. Rona and Corey live right next to that building.
Yep, a new
Oh,
member
my
of the
finger was
family
in the way.
from the Philippines. Just get her from the Philippines, guys.
Yep, she's down there by herself. She's being brave.
Yep, she liked it to be
She
by
said
herself.
she was
then-
scared.
Yep.
Cleveland,
Through
Indiana.
the Indian games. Progressive field. I remember going there. I was waving at a kid. Honey, keep it until we go to Dead Man's Curve.
Okay.
This is scary, guys. I came here with a stick shift. Like, oh my God. I remember my training. Like,
as Dead Man's Curve, they call it, because there's lots of accidents, a lot of fatalities have happened up here because the road turns. It's like a freeway.
Oh, it looks like that guy moved over. I'm gonna move over too. So.
And there's a turn up here that's like 20 miles an hour. So you go from 55 miles an hour to 20, and you have to go 20, especially if you're a truck, you'll tip over.
Right, I'm excited.
There's been lots of semis that tipped over down here.
Am I coming then?
It's coming up. You'll hear it. It'll go brip, 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 brip. It has those rumple strips.
I haven't been here in a long time.
And they did one of Mama's first times in a semi. Her trainer took her right down here, man.
Downtown Cleveland, my
Downtown
gosh.
Cleveland and Dead Man's Curve in a stick shift.
Right
Mama
there,
was
honey.
grinding them gears.
Right there, guys.
Yep, there it is.
35 miles an hour, sharp
It's 35. I thought it was 20.
Well, it's 20 kilometers per hour.
But it's if you'd hit that curb going 35, there's all cars, trucks, everything run right into the wall because they can't make the turn fast enough.
Right.
Their momentum carries them right into the wall.
I'm 45, I better slow down. There's still says 50 miles an hour.
Trucks, flatbeds with loads, their load will slide off the flatbed. It's not bad if you go the speed limit. If you're a truck, you want to go around about 25.
Where is it?
It's coming out.
Okay.
They have to give you warning. It's stupid people. They got to warn them many times, and they still crash. They got all these damn signs for miles, and people drive down here and run right into the wall.
This is it, right? It's slow.
Yep.
Slow. I better slow down. I have to slow down 30 miles an hour.
See, look how sharp this turn is.
What the heck? I'm scared. Okay, I'm really scared.
Look at all the black marks in that wall from cars hitting it.
Scared. Wonder how it's look like when it's.
Look, and then they still hit it. A semi hit it right there.
What the heck?
He looked like he drove halfway up the wall his tire. Now we're through it. That was Dead
Honey,
Man's
I remember
Curve.
driving there. I remember you see that little thing over there. I actually, I missed my exit and I started driving in that thing right there.
That's Burke Lakefront Airport over there. That's the airport that when the Cavs were in the finals all the time, that was lined up with private jets.
Really? Wow.
And a traffic jam of private jets in that airport.
I better move over to this lower.
You're okay.
Okay, alright. Ooh, that's the lake, guys.
Alright.
Over there.